artists. Welcome back to our drawing channel. Today, we have a super fun and exciting challenge for you. We'll be drawing not one, but 3 fantastic pictures at the same time. That's right, we'll be drawing a colorful caterpillar, a cute puppy, and a tractor all at once. Who do you think will finish first? Stay with us to find out. Grab your pencils and get ready to draw along with us. Let the race begin. Ready, set, draw.
I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and share this video with your friends. I can't wait to do more fun activities with you. See you next time. Bye bye.